Happy WWDC 2023. I'm here. I just checked in. I've got my little bag, and now I'm gonna head in and hopefully find some of my other YouTuber tech friends. So let's go. So excited! Thank you so much!
Good morning! Yes! Gabby, oh my gosh!
What a surprise!
You caught me getting some healthy food.
Okay, so we've got our little WWDC bag here. Let's see what's inside. Okay, we've got some pins. Like, check these out. All right, we've also got a hat. Look at this. Love to see it. A little tumbler for coffee. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. We've got our little WWDC logo. Okay, that's all that's in the bag, but we've also got this awesome little tote. Love it.
Your fit.
Oh my gosh! I was like, okay, am I farming or am I reviewing tech today?
No, I mean, it's perfect. I didn't even recognize you walking up. But it is like, I think this is a new era for you.
Maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure.
I love it so much.
Thank you. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Oh my gosh,
too.
I'm so excited. So,
it's official.
It's official.
Yeah.
Sarah's in LA. I saw you posting and you're like, wait a minute, I told them 2 months
Yes,
ago.
I told it on their podcast and I totally forgot. So the same Brain fam got it first.
They did. Well, I was so excited that you're in the area. So we're going to hang out.
I have friends. That's new for me.
I also want to tell you that I bought a basketball pump, so we are ready to play basketball.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
I'm not good though.
I'll teach you.
Okay. All right. Hi! Oh my gosh,
How's it going?
Happy birthday!
Thank you so much.
I mean, is this not the most exciting birthday ever?
This is the best 50th birthday I can imagine. I cannot imagine being anywhere else. This is crazy.
So great. Everybody go tell Farouk happy birthday!
Thank you.
Welcome to what's going to be the best WWDC ever.
The event just ended. I'm so overwhelmed. Like, it was one of the longest events, I feel like, and everything happened so quickly. It was just like rapid fire. Vision Pro, Vision OS. Oh my god, are you guys, like, are you freaking out?
It's pretty sick.
How are you? Good to see you. I only saw you in passing earlier.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, love the outfit. That was
Thank you,
crazy.
thank you.
Twitter is like very different rhetoric than us. Like Twitter's like dystopian, like the mass. What do you think? Like dystopian or excited?
a little of both, actually.
Me too.
Yeah.
It looks like Ready Player One, like that movie in real life.
I was telling Farouk, I was like, it kind of feels like Black Mirror, but like, I'm here for it, you know?
Totally.
What do you think?
It's gonna be amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I guess we don't need our screens anymore, you know?
Well, I was thinking how cool it would be because I have like a 3-monitor setup. How incredible would that be to edit? Like,
Yes.
like you won't even need
We
them.
can put anything anywhere now. You can put the clip somewhere else and just look at the screen.
I'm just hoping that it's comfortable because if it's not comfortable, you're not gonna want to wear it. But I do feel like if Apple's gonna do something, they're gonna do it right.
But we questioned how they're gonna do FaceTime, and then they showed how they're gonna do FaceTime, and it's
Like a digital persona of yourself, and it actually looked pretty good. So I hope it'll kind of pull through.
yeah, I cannot wait to see that.
Oh man, I've been having the absolute best day ever. Apple actually made a little creator studio so you could go in and record. So I just recorded my little video for my WWDC recap, and it was so much easier than having to go film that in my hotel room. And also this granola mix that they have, it might be the best trail mix I've ever had. Good job, Apple. Like there's dates in there. Dates and white chocolate chips. So good. I just left my camera in there and panicked, had to go back. Super sad. Bye, good luck, have fun. Good to see you.
Thank you.
Seeing him from afar. You just keep seeing your friends from afar and you wave as they go off to their briefings. But man, it's so fun. Getting a chance to actually try the Vision headset was pretty incredible. I keep calling it Vision Plus for some reason, but it's Vision Pro. And it's pretty freaking cool. Now, Tyler and I have to go do a lot of editing. Tyler's up there. Look at your cool headphones, dude. Look at these.
Pretty cool, dude.
What are they?
Koss Porta Pros.
They look vintage. I was like, okay, I don't know if these are like a new thing or it's some sort of like futuristic vintage, but I think that's, they're new.
They look old, but they're new. Yeah.
It is snack time at the Steve Jobs Theater adjacent to the Visitor Center. Look at all these treats. Oh my gosh, hello, Michael Josh.
Hey,
how are you?
hi.
How
Exciting day, isn't it?
is your dub going so far?
I was just, I was live tweeting and taking notes the whole time until they announced Vision Pro. And then I was like, you know what, I think I just need to soak it in a little bit because this is a historical moment.
Me, Sarah, and Julia had to go to the bathroom at the midway point. I was like, oh my God, we might miss the headset, but we ran and we made it, thankfully.
I just think we're gonna look back after a few years and I was there. And you know what? Apple, they always say you need Apple to do it well.
Exactly.
And then I think the whole world can follow. I've always believed that the future is having this layer above our real world, but I love that you can have that and then you can also just disappear.
Did you get a demo?
Not yet, not yet.
Oh
So
my God.
I'm really excited.
No, just embrace it. And it's so wild because it feels like you're looking at the real world, but yet like your eyes know you're not.
Was it easy because it's a new way of like doing things, so you just know what to do?
You just knew what to do. Once they told you like to pinch, and then you like pinch to zoom and drag, and like it's so intuitive. It was honestly unbelievable.
I cannot believe, like, I will go out and buy it as soon as I can.
I can't wait. It's
Next
gonna be
year
so cool.
can't come soon enough.
I know. We still have to have a new iPhone out first.
I know.
The other thing that was really cool is they didn't really make a big deal about it, but it's connected to a battery pack. So
Yes.
the battery pack lasts 2 hours, but when you go and see how cool the battery pack is, it's like this aluminum little pack.
I would love that for my iPhone.
That's what I said. I go, can you guys make one of these so that we
See-
can use it as a charger?
Today, you have people on planes with their big AirPods Max, right? And their cans to kind of cancel out the noise. Now, like, just imagine like if you're sitting in coach, right? Flying Spirit.
Oh,
And you
Spirit.
want to just block out the real world, you have the noise cancellation, and then you can have those, that like, is it 180? 180
Yeah.
degree, and just feel like you're in somewhere more zen.
Which
right?
is super cool though, because they do have some like immersion experiences where it's full 360. Like
360.
you look around and you're just like, I'm in it.
Yeah, and I like the mental health, like the visualization, so I can actually not have to necessarily close my eyes,
Right.
but disappear from the world a little bit.
It was so awesome.
But
I
on
can't
the
wait
flip
for you
side,
to try it.
I love the dad. Like he was working, and then his son came over, and then he was able to kick the ball, and like be immersed but also be present.
Yeah.
Which I think is so important for like something like this.
This is our future.
Yeah.
I'm here for it.
I'm here for it. I need it now.
Now. So I actually can't believe it, but Vision Pro is right here. It is behind me. It's so cool because we're actually getting a chance to see it. Now I did get a chance to get hands-on with it, and really experiencing this in real life was by far way cooler than I really thought it was going to be. Obviously I thought it was going to be cool, but just seeing the way that this has the ability to really transport you from your living room into an entirely new universe I'm speechless. This is the battery pack that connects to the headset, and this will give you about 2 hours, but there is a USB-C port on it that will allow you to connect it to power so you can use it all day without worry. The actual headset material is very soft and it really does form to your head. The material is super lightweight, but the actual headset does have some weight to it. So I'm not sure if this is something that I could wear all day long, but a few hours here and there with some breaks, I definitely could see myself doing that. On top of the Vision Pro are 2 buttons, and this is the digital crown, which kind of looks like the digital crown on the Apple Watch. What sets this apart from other devices like it is the eye tracking and the selection. There are no controllers, there's nothing attached to you. Because of the sensors here on the bottom, you could have your hands easily resting in your lap, and with a slight pinch motion of your 2 fingers, that's how you make a selection. The actual viewing experience when this is on your head is unbelievable. The way that this can seamlessly take you from one incredible, fully immersed world back into an augmented reality of you sitting in your living room is pretty impressive. Sitting there and having my entire Apple ecosystem appear before my eyes in my space in a virtual reality setting was unlike anything that I'd really ever experienced before. Going into messages, going through photos, watching 3D movies, and then getting up off of the couch and interacting with a dinosaur that just broke through my wall. It really felt like I was transported to another world. Now the price tag of this Vision Pro is $3,500, which is pretty expensive. It's not just a headset. Apple is calling it a spatial computer. It's not connected to anything separate. Everything is happening inside of the headset. It's powered by a dual chip design that combines an M2 chip with a brand new R1 chip. And the R1 is basically designed to handle all of this real-time sensor processing. While I don't think that everyone in the world is going to be going out and purchasing this headset right now, this is laying the groundwork for developers and content creators to start making content for this device. Having this be announced at WWDC is also giving developers the entire freedom to let their imaginations go wild. Having the support of Disney Plus on day one of launch is also really incredible. Disney has such an amazing catalog of content, plus Star Wars, Marvel, and more. All of this is leading to future devices that could be more cost-effective, small, better battery life, and who knows what else. This, my friends, is just the beginning. We're in line right now to get some t-shirts. Now there is a Ted Lasso exclusive happening now at the Apple Store, and I'm kind of excited, but I also haven't finished season 1 yet, so I don't really get the reference, but I'm still gonna get the t-shirt and the jersey and maybe a hoodie, and then after I watch it, I'm gonna be like, wow, I'm so glad I bought this. So pretty cool. I'm gonna get this one, and I'm also gonna get the blue. It's a nice hoodie. Like, it's pretty nice. Sick. Okay, so I'm gonna put the hoodie on now because I'm cold. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I love it. It's so, like, the color's perfect. It's actually a perfect fit. I wanted a small, but the medium's nice.
Ooh, nice big hood.
Yeah, nice hood. Oh, this is my airport fit tomorrow.
Sick.
Oh man, okay, so we had such a long day today and now I'm back at the hotel. I got a shower, I'm in my jammies, and ordered some steaks from a nearby restaurant from DoorDash. And the side dishes, like, look how much food is here. This is ridiculous. Tyler's got his little meal here. This is gonna be so freaking good, and I can't wait to eat and edit in bed.
I've never seen so much mac and cheese.
Look at this, and there's so much mashed potatoes. And wow, okay. This is the buffet, welcome to it. Here you are.
Oh, yeah.
Help yourself. Good morning. I barely slept. I think maybe 3 hours. Packed this morning, got up super early around 5:30. The fact that this suitcase has closed is an actual miracle. I couldn't have even filmed myself closing it because the things that I had to do felt illegal. But it's closed, and I want to show you this little tip that I have for bringing a blanket. Normally I also bring a full bed pillow, and I wrap it in a yoga mat strap so that it's easy to carry, and because it's like a pillow and a blanket and it is kind of large, they usually don't say anything because I'm like, this is my bed, this is my sleep, I need this. Let me live my life. I also take a lot of overnight flights, so at that point they're just like, okay, let's just let her be. She looks unwell. So today I have some more briefings at Apple, and then I'm flying back to Los Angeles. So we're gonna get a little breakfast and head over to the campus. I've been loving this Ally. My video should be posted soon if it's not already. I'm stepping on something. I've been playing Diablo 4. I freaking love Diablo so much, so it's been awesome to be able to take this on the go. So as long as I have Wi-Fi, I'm able to connect. I do wish there was some more offline play for some of the games that I like, but it is what it is. Croissanty time. So I had plans to make like a really cool montage of my last day at Apple and then my flight home. That did not in fact happen. I fell asleep the second that I got on that plane. I did not wake up until that plane landed. It was like freaking time travel. I am so exhausted. This was my Oura Ring sleep score from last night. That's pretty high. And if you'll notice, that little blue line is completely solid. That means I didn't move at all. This is what it looks like a normal sleep. I move around a lot. And the dog was even in my bed. No, I was in an absolute coma. Anyway, I had so much fun at Apple, but I have got to film in a little bit. So I'm gonna just continue resting here for a little while until I have to be a person. Okay, bye.